happy Easter. This week we're going to be making Easter cupcakes, these adorable cupcakes. But we're going to be making them quarantine style, so we're gonna grab whatever we have in our pantries and make these delicious cupcakes.
All right, so the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna take 3 cups of old-fashioned oats. These are gluten-free organic oats, and you're going to put them in a food processor or blender and make flour, and then you will put your flour into the bowl. Next, we added our allergy-free chocolate chips. I used 1 cup for this recipe, but you can use as many as your heart desires. Next, we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Next, we're going to add water just a little bit at a time. So I added about 2 cups of water to make it smooth. So the next thing that I did was I took some butter and melted it and lined it across our cupcake holders so that the batter does not stick to our cupcake holders. Now I took an ice cream scooper and I dumped the batter in each cupcake holder. Just a little tip for these, I have filled the batter to the very top. Since this is not normal cupcake batter, it probably won't rise as much, so it's okay to fill them a little bit higher than if you are using boxed cupcake batter. While the cupcakes are baking, we are going to work on our decorations to top our cupcakes. So what I have here, these are unsweetened coconut flakes. You can use sweetened if you prefer. And I'm going to add a few drops of green, pinch of green food coloring. I don't know. So 1 pinch, 2 pinch, and we'll just play with it until we have it fully green. So. Once your cupcakes are done baking, we're going to use chocolate icing to look like dirt, and then we will use coconut flakes to sprinkle on as grass. Then we will have our Peeps and mini Cadbury eggs for decorations.
Alright, so here are just a few tips. If you're not using a normal cupcake box mix, if your batter ends up getting way too dry, then all you have to do is add some melted butter and that should soften it right up. Also, before you decide to start decorating these cupcakes, make sure that you give your cupcakes time to cool. You can either let them sit out on the counter or put them in the refrigerator.